Hi everyone, welcome to the first episode of the series on Node.js, Express, MySQL and Sequelize. In this series, we'll be exploring how to build a powerful backend for web applications using these technologies. Let me go through the quick overview of this course. We'll first setting up the Node.js Express. We'll start by installing Node.js and setting up Express, which helps you build the web applications quickly and easily. Then we'll create a REST APIs. We'll see how to build REST APIs using Express. REST APIs allows different applications to talk each other over the web. Then we'll see connecting MySQL database. We'll use MySQL to store data for our application. MySQL is a relational database that helps organize and retrieve your data. Then we'll see Sequelize ORM. Sequelize makes working with database much easier. Instead of writing SQL queries, you will be write JavaScript code to interact with MySQL database. So you might wonder why we choose this tag when there are so many other options out there. The reason is Node.js, Express, MySQL and Sequelize work really well together to build fast, scalable and efficient web applications. So let me explain this stack one by one. Okay, so Node.js allow you to run JavaScript on server, which is great for handling lot of users at the same time. Additionally, we can use the same language for both frontend and backend. Then Express. Express is a simple framework built on Node.js that helps you manage routes and handle user requests. It makes things more organized and simple. We'll see how Express is work in later video sessions. Then we'll have MySQL. MySQL is a trusted relational database for storing structured data like user info or products in tables. Then we'll have Sequelize. Sequelize make it easy to work with MySQL using JavaScript instead of SQL. We don't need to write any complicated database row queries. So here is a flow diagram how these technologies are interacting with each other. So first, the front-end or end user sends request to the Node.js application through the REST API. The API is set up using Express, which handles the request. Then the data is processed by Sequelize using the models we have defined. From there, Sequelize interact with MySQL to either fetch or store the data depending on the request. It either retrieve the data from the database and send it back to the user or frontend, or it store new data into a DB and send it back to the acknowledgement. Don't worry if this sounds confusing at first. Once we dive into coding part later in this series, this flow will make a lot more sense. So what we'll see in upcoming videos. So in episode 2, we'll be setting up the Node.js Express API. In episode 3, we'll be understanding the REST API architecture. In episode 4, we'll understand the request methods like get, post, put, delete and status codes, how it is sending and retrieving information. Then we'll be building up endpoints with the sample data. Thank you for the watching. If you enjoy this, please like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you.